Hello and welcome to a new demonstration video where I will show you how to install and configure my newest plugin, Pinterest Automatic Pinterest Post Generator. This plugin can generate posts from WordPress to Pinterest and from Pinterest to WordPress, so both ways are capable of. To install the plugin, click Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose File, navigate to the zip file you just downloaded, click Install Now. After the quick installation, you must activate the plugin. Go to Plugin Settings. Here you have plugin settings. You must have a Pinterest account and the Pinterest app. To create one, click here. Here you can create a new app, give it a name testing or anything you like, and a description, and click create. After the creation is done, you have the app. Copy the app ID and paste it here. Also copy the app secret and paste it here. I will delete this testing app after the video finishes, so don't bother entering the app in your application because it won't work. Click Save App Info. Pinterest login successful and the plugin is activated. Now you can go and start generating posts. First of all, I want to show you the post to Pinterest part of this plugin. You must for this to work, you must copy this link, go to the app settings, scroll down and enter here the redirect URL. Notice that the redirect URL must use HTTPS. Click Save and go back to plugin and click Authorize. This will show up. Click OK. This site is not capable of HTTPS. In this case, don't stress, just go up and delete from the URL HTTPS and leave only HTTP. Delete the S. Click Enter and the plugin is authorized. If you have a HTTPS capable website, this error won't be shown to you. But if you don't have HTTPS capable website, don't panic, just delete the S from the URL and you will be good. Enable this feature. Here you can select the board where to post, how the description should look like, disable auto posting of different stuff, or post only local media. Save settings, and let's go now and have a look at my Pinterest account. Let's say I will post in testing. To do this, I must select the testing board, click Save. Settings are saved. Okay, now I want to create a new post. Add new. Just add a featured image for the post. So let's set this apple, or no, let's set these two guys as featured image. The testing board is this, and hit publish. The post is published on my blog, and let's take a look at my board. The testing board has the photo with the two guys added just now. Okay, so this is the Pinterest auto publishing part. Let's deactivate it for this for now. Okay, the other part is the Pinterest to post. Here you have three options: simple search, user ID search, board ID search. Let's take a look at the simple search for the first time. Here you can create a rule to search Pinterest for BWM, let's say BMW, BMW. Schedule, you run this rule every 24 hours, 10 posts at a time. The post should be published, it should be posts. Here you can also select custom post types if you have any. Some advanced settings, how the generated title should like, how the post content should look like. You have these shortcodes to play with. You can skip repins, accept only public pins. You can filter by image dominant color, color variation. These two features are advanced features. You can read more about them in plugin documentation. Minimum repins required, minimum likes required, comments, generated post format, content type to import, only photos, only videos, or both, additional post category, post tags, auto add tags, additional post tags, enable comments, ping back trackbacks, auto get featured image, default featured image if no featured image available, default post title if no title available, remove emojis from content, and import comments. Let's say I want to import a random comment number. Okay, let's save our settings and let's run this rule. The rule running shouldn't take long. Let's take a look at our test blog, and the posts are already created. The rule ran successfully and all our posts with BMWs are created. Let's take a look at one post. This is the featured image, the post content, and the comments that we imported. Let's take a look at another one. Okay, what I want to show you is that this plugin can import also videos. Let's say search for video, delete all generated posts with BMWs, and run this rule again. Yeah. So if we refresh now our blog, the BMWs are gone, and we have videos that are pinned that now appear in our blog. So this plugin can import also videos. The size of this player can also be changed. It can be increased or decreased from the plugin settings. Okay, now let's move on. Let's delete the post generated by this rule, and let's move on to user ID. Here is an example user ID. Let's take a look at our blog, only the two guys now, and let's run this rule. Wait just a minute, and here we can see that posts are getting generated. Let's have a look at the post. Okay. Now let's get a board example. Let's take a look at the board. Let's copy this board's address and select board ID. Or URL. Paste the board URL here. Delete all generated content that were made by now, and go to our blog to see the results. And as you can see, this is a makeup board, and the makeup related posts are already starting to appear. Okay, so, and also we have some other features. You can strip links from generated content to remove links from content, show extended item information meta box in all posts, enable detailed logging feature here. This is the logging. Here you can view some logs and alter plugin settings. Automatically create logs. Enable OG tags. You can add OG tags to your website. With OG tags, Pinterest can share much better your content. So I recommend to enable this. You can select the timeout for rule running. If a rule takes too long, it will time out and it will stop. Send rule running summary in email. Input your email address. Video embed width and height. The YouTube player that will embed, here you can change its size. Minimum title count, maximum title count, minimum content and maximum content word count. You can restrict minimum and maximum word count for title and content. If the restriction is not met, the post will not be created for that content. You can define banned word list, required word list, feature image resize, width, height. You can enforce width and height for the featured images. You can strip content from final post content by ID or class. You can skip posts that do not have images. Skip posts that are older than a specified date. You can specify here the date. You can translate content by using Google Translate to any language. You can spin words to not resemble the original content. Here is a random sentence generator. You can generate random sentences with using this feature. You can input custom HTML code, ads code, or whatever you want. And here is finally a keyword replacer tool. search for this keyword in your content, replace it by this, and add to it this link. Also, you have some shortcodes. Pinterest-o-matic media, to include the Pinterest media into your post, photo or video. Pinterest-o-matic save button, this will include the red save button to your blog. Pinterest-o-matic follow button, this will include the follow button. Pinterest-o-matic embed pin, this will embed the pin into your content. Embed a board, this will embed a full board into your content, or embed user, this will embed a user into your content. Usages are, examples are here. Okay, so this is all of my plugin, all features of my plugin. More features will come in the future. I will update this plugin. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you will enjoy it. Bye bye.